In 2013, I was at home one weekend watching the blockbuster, and then suddenly my phone rang. It was one of my special customers. Oh, Chef Jules, save my soul. We're having a family reunion, and I also need 250 cakes to give to everyone that attends. Guess what? We found my great aunt's recipe book somewhere in the attic, and it's our family favorites, this particular recipe, so please help. And that was why I panicked, like thinking, oh my goodness, in just 4 days, and this old auntie's recipe was in imperial formats, and how much of it would I need for each batter? And that was how I set out to convert the imperial measurements to metric, and then second step, apply baker's percentage to the converted recipe. Off I went without stress, successfully scaling and baking, and see how successfully I baked all 250 loaf cakes, and the family was so delighted at the loaf cakes when they all went. Follow me carefully in the next tutorial. These templates and Excel sheets I'm going to be sharing with you are incredibly powerful as you allow them help you begin to automate your startup business with precision in calculating recipes and their costs.